Morning children, hope you all doing well at home. Today let us take page number 31 and see children, see the pictures. What do you observe there? Different persons are doing different works. So what is occupation or job? The person who does work for earning money becomes his occupation, children. If a person works for earning money, this becomes his occupation. So if a person sells vegetables, so that becomes his occupation. If a person sells milk and earns money, it becomes his occupation. If a woman cooks food and earns money, that becomes her occupation. So that is called occupation or job, children. Work at home. So the work done at home by parents or the work done without payment is called domestic work, and the domestic work, parents do domestic work at home. Some parents, both the parents, mother and father, work at home, children. Work at home. Work at home is called domestic work, children. Parents and children do work at home, and the work done at home will not pay any salary. But this is very important because both the parents go outside and work, children. They appoint some domestic workers to do the domestic work at home. And some of the domestic works are paying electric bills and sweeping, mopping and cleaning utensils, all these. Some persons cannot do the work at home, so they appoint some person to do the domestic work. So some of the domestic works are domestic help purpose, children. Domestic help. This domestic help includes cleaning the utensils and sweeping and mopping, and gardener. So rich people have big houses and they have garden also. So they appoint a gardener. The gardener keeps the plants and take care of the plants, children. And driver. The driver drives a car. Security guard. Security guard guards the home, children. Security guard guards the home. These are the people who does domestic work, children. Work outside home. Work outside. Most of the people go out to do work. That is called work outside the home. And some of the works need some special skills and manual power, children, such as tailoring. A tailor stitches the clothes. A teacher also needs some special skills skills and training to teach. So teacher. Plumber takes care of leaking pipes and taps in the houses, children. If we have any issues with the pipes and taps, we will call plumber. And carpenter. A carpenter is a person who does woodwork, children. He prepares furniture for us with wood. Different kinds of furniture like doors, dining tables and all. And cobbler mends our shoes, children. An electrician takes care of electrical equipment and he repairs fans, electric bulbs. He is called electricians, children. These are the people who does work outside these people go out from home and work, children. Some works need special skills, children. That works are doctor, engineer, a doctor treats you when you are sick or hurt, children. There are different kinds of doctors. So a engineer gives plans for your home, children. He constructs the homes, bridges and machines, give some plans for making machines and all. Police, a police take care of your things, children. Stop, ma'am. Police maintains law and order in the society and catches thieves. These persons are special skilled persons, children. So all the works are important for us. This is all about work around us, and we have importance of helping at home. Importance of helping at home. Parents do so much work for us, children. They cook for us, they earn for us, they work outside and earn for us. What is our responsibility towards parents, children? Our responsibility is not scattering the things or toys at home and making your bed yourself. All these are your responsibilities, and not only that, children, obeying your parents, helping them in their works is also very, very important. That is importance of helping at him. By doing at home, by doing all these things, you become helpful and independent children. Helpful and useful also, children. If you help your parents, you will become a useful children. So, working children. Do you know some of the children, some parents cannot send their children to school. Some children go outside and work, children, along with their parents, because their parents cannot afford their fees. So they are called child labor. Child labor is against law, children. It is not recommended by law. It is against the law, children. So in our lesson, there is a topic about Aman. Aman is a boy and his parents moved to the city to work, because in their village they don't have any work in the village. So to find some work, they went to the city. Aman's father is working at a construction site and his mother is working as a cook in a house, in a colony nearby. So their parents or Aman does not realize the importance of going to school. So they didn't send him to school. Even though Aman is an intelligent boy, they didn't send him to school because they don't know the value of the education. If he is educated, he can make his life better and his living conditions will become better. What are living conditions? Living conditions means living in a proper home, eating a proper food, and these are called the living conditions, children. So what are the topics we have seen? Occupation. What is job? Occupation or job. A person who does work for earning is a occupation or job. Work at home. Work at home is called domestic work. Work outside home. People go outside to work. So it needs some special skills and manual power. So such as tailor, teacher, plumber, carpenter, cobbler, electrician, and there are some very special works like doctor, engineer, police. All the works are important, children. Working, importance of helping at home. As a children, what is your responsibility at home? We have discussed. Working children, that is about child labor. Child labor is against law, children, that is illegal. So we discussed all these topics in our class. So go through the lesson once, read the lesson. This is your work for today. Good. Children, open your classworks and write hard words. First one, occupation, children. O capital letter. Starting letters, capital letters. In your 4-rolled notebook, it should touch red line, children. Occupation, OCC. UPATION, occupation. Second one, domestic work. DOMESTIC, domestic, WORK, domestic work. Third one, manual labor. MANUAL, manual labor. Fourth one, equipment. EQUIPMENT, equipment. EQUIPMENT, equipment. Child labor. Fifth one, child labor. CHILD, child, LABOUR, child labor. Sixth one, living conditions. LIVING, living. CONDITIONS, living conditions. Seventh one, skill. SKILL, skill. Eighth one, exploited. Exploited means the person make to do so much work and not given proper salary. Exploited. EXPLOITED, exploited. RESPONSIBILITY, responsibility. Ninth one is responsibility. Responsibility means your duty, children. Tenth one, security guard. SECURITY, security. GUARD, guard. Security guard means the person who guards our homes. Green grocer. GREEN, green. GROCER, grocer. Green grocer means the person who sells vegetables. COBBLER, cobbler. Cobbler means who mends our shoes, children. Electrician. ELECTRICIAN, electrician means the person who repairs the electrical equipment in our homes or in offices. He is called electrician, children. Let us see all the words once. Occupation, domestic work, manual labor, equipment, child labor. Living conditions, skill, exploited, responsibility, security guard, green grocer, cobbler, electrician. This is your classwork, children, and your homework is learn and write these hard words, children, in your homework notebook 2 times each hard word. Learn them and write 2 times, children. And your revision is learn lesson 1, 1 to 3 question and answer, children, and write them in rough notebook. Thank you.